In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Hotmail emails in just 5 minutes. We're going to walk step by step through the process to ensure you have quick and easy access to your emails. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser and navigate to the Outlook login page. This can be found by visiting the Microsoft 365 website. Once there, the next thing you need to do is locate the Sign In button. It's usually prominently displayed on the page, making it simple to find. Click on Sign In to proceed to the next step. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This usually includes your Hotmail email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there usually is a Forgot Password option you can click. Following this, you're directed to the Mail section of Outlook. This will take you to the hub where all your emails are stored. It's beautifully organized and quite user-friendly, featuring various tabs and categories to manage your emails efficiently. Now that you're in the Mail section, the next step is to click on the Inbox on the left-hand sidebar. The inbox is where all your new and unread emails accumulate, so it's the primary area you'll need to focus on when checking your emails. With just a click, you'll open your inbox, revealing all your emails from the new and unread to the old but still important. Outlook makes it easy to identify unread emails by highlighting them, which helps prioritize what you need to read first. The final step is accessing and interacting with the emails within your inbox. Once inside, you can click on any email to read it in full. Additionally, Outlook provides options to reply, forward, or delete emails right from the interface. These features are conveniently located at the top of each email, clearly labeled to ensure ease of use. With this setup, managing your emails is a breeze and everything you need is right at your fingertips. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've now mastered how to view your Hotmail emails. Repeat these steps anytime you need to check your email, and before you know it, it will become second nature. By ensuring that you regularly check and manage your inbox, you're keeping your communications organized and updated. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't hesitate to check out other resources if you have more questions about using Outlook or managing your emails efficiently. Until next time, take care and happy emailing.